Today, Norway mourns the passing of His Majesty King Harald V. Born on February 21, 1937, Harald dedicated much of his life to Norway. Long before becoming king, he represented his country in Olympic sailing. In 1991, following the death of his father, King Olav Viv, Harald became King of Norway. Through decades of change, he remained a symbol of continuity, duty, and national unity. He spoke powerfully about belonging and tolerance, reminding Norwegians that their country embraces people of different backgrounds, beliefs, and ways of life. For generations, King Harald was a steady presence in moments of celebration, uncertainty, and national sorrow. Today, a chapter of Norwegian history closes, but his legacy of service, dignity, and unity remains.